All right, guys, good morning. You've been in Vietnam and on tour with me for the last 3 days, and that's very pleasure to have you guys on tour. And I've had so much fun with you guys. We've been chit-chatting, joking around on tour like that, and I don't feel very tired every single day to be around with you guys. So this is the family from Canada, Choakimedes. Yes, a very quick name that I ever seen in my entire life. So right now I would like to ask you guys just a couple questions. All right, so what do you feel for the last 3 days on tour, and you feel that you are well supported and guided by me? Okay, so Carolina, can you go first?
Hi, Woody. We've had a great time. We've been very well supported. We've had a great tour guide and a great driver. We've had some wonderful experiences, including going through the tunnels, something I've always wanted to do and experience what the USGIs went through. We also had a fabulous time at the floating market. That was something very unique. I had my breakfast on a boat. That was very different. And we had an opportunity to go to a great hotel as well. But more importantly, we also had a really great tour, and we got to know a little bit more about the southern part of Vietnam.
All right, thank you so much. Okay, what about you, Costa? Papa on tour?
Well, Woody's been an excellent guide. We've had excellent directions in all of the towns that we've gone to. He suggested some great restaurants. The sites we've seen, the highlights really were more around the Cultural tunnels, and the temple I went to that was very good. The food has been excellent. The accommodations have been great. We've gone great distances on boats, cars, bicycles, walking. It's really been a fantastic time.
Thank you so much. And Jason?
Woody's been an excellent tour guide, very personal, asking lots of questions, making sure we're very engaged in the tour. My favorite part had to have been the tunnels, when we went through the jungle and experienced what the soldiers went through at that time. As my parents have said, the accommodation has been fantastic with the food. Everything has been amazing. Woody's done a fabulous job at taking care of us.
Yes, thank you so much, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy every single bit of a day that we've been together. We have lots of photos, lots of videos, and lots of memories, lots of conversations that we will never forget. All right.
That's right. Absolutely.
Yeah, and I hope.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much too. And I hope you guys have more wonderful days ahead of you. And right now we're getting back to Saigon, and we're gonna say goodbye in the next couple hours.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, pleasant dreams.